Hi everyone, let's try to create this slide and see how it looks like. You see it's pretty easy and amazing. Let's try to create it. At first we need a new slide. In the new slide we create a text and write humans in it. Okay, and then change this font to Overdrive Sunset and the type to this thing and increase it in size. Then create a mini copy of that, but by holding Control, but create the copy in the way to create this effect. After creating the copies, you copy this slide, select all of them by Control A and align them center and middle. Then bring them up. You see we have this effect that we are going to create that. For that you need to just bring one of them down and color the top one of them another color. For example, let's go with this blue. And then paste your text. Everything created perfectly. The text is going to be also, I think this is good. Now set the transition to more. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.